Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0223, indicates that there is a high voltage condition in the throttle position, TP sensor B circuit of the 2023 Honda Accord. The TP sensor is an essential component that communicates the position of the throttle plate to the powertrain control module, PCM. If the output voltage from the TP sensor B exceeds the specified voltage level, the PCM registers this anomaly and logs the DTC. This specific error affects the proper functioning of the engine's throttle control system, which can lead to performance issues. The component is generally integrated with the throttle body, typically located near the intake manifold. Accurate diagnosis is crucial as the throttle position directly influences engine performance and emissions. DTC P0223 signifies a high voltage reading from the throttle position TP sensor B circuit. The TP sensor B plays a critical role as it monitors the position of the throttle plate, providing real-time feedback to the PCM, which adjusts fuel delivery and air intake for optimal engine performance. Located within the throttle body assembly, near the intake manifold, any malfunction in this component can disrupt the normal throttle function. The error is triggered when the voltage output from the TP sensor B exceeds a specified threshold, indicating a potential failure within the sensor or its associated circuit. It's important to ensure the integrity of this circuit for maintaining vehicle performance and adhering to emission standards. There are several possible causes for the DTC P0223 error. A faulty throttle position sensor B could produce erroneous voltage readings, leading to high voltage detection by the PCM. Additionally, wiring issues such as short circuits, open connectors, or damaged wires in the TP sensor circuit can also contribute to inaccurate sensor output. It's essential to inspect the throttle body's connections and wiring harnesses for any visible damage or disconnections. A malfunctioning powertrain control module PCM remains another potential cause, although this is less common as PCM failures are relatively rare compared to sensor and wiring issues. Each of these causes must be systematically evaluated to arrive at an accurate diagnosis. The symptoms associated with DTC P0223 can greatly impact driving performance and engine efficiency. A primary symptom is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a malfunction in the vehicle's electronic systems. Additionally, drivers may experience an unresponsive throttle, where pressing the accelerator does not yield the expected increase in speed, leading to dangerous driving situations. Poor acceleration performance can also be noted, as the erroneous readings from the TP sensor can affect the engine's ability to adjust fuel and air mixture properly. These symptoms may vary in severity, but will generally detract from the overall driving experience and vehicle reliability. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0223 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This action enables the vehicle's electronic systems, allowing the technician to check real-time data. Using a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, verify the voltage reading from the TP sensor B. If the voltage exceeds 4.8 volts, this confirms that the failure is present and indicates an abnormality requiring further investigation. It is critical to ensure accurate readings by properly connecting the HDS and ensuring that vehicle power systems are functional during this inspection. Documenting the outcome of this step is crucial for ongoing diagnostics. In the second diagnostic step, you will focus on inspecting the throttle body connector specifically, which usually features 6 pins. Ensure that the connector is clean and free from moisture or corrosion. With the connector disconnected, check the voltage across the female terminals while the ignition is in the on position. Under normal operational conditions, the expected output voltage should be approximately 5.0 volts. A voltage reading within this range indicates that the throttle body and the TP sensor are functioning as intended. However, if the voltage is abnormal, this suggests an issue with the throttle body itself, which may require further analysis or replacement. The third step involves more detailed circuit diagnostics, specifically focusing on the signal and ground lines associated with the TP sensor. Disconnected connectors for both the throttle body and the PCM are necessary for this task. You should test the SG3 ground wire and THL2 signal wire for continuity. In a normal scenario, both should measure less than 1 ohm when assessed with a multimeter. High resistance on either wire could signify a potential short circuit or an open wire condition that needs addressing. Ensuring the integrity of these circuits is crucial since they directly affect the functionality of the throttle position sensor and the overall engine performance. In the fourth and final step, if all prior inspections have indicated normal readings, the final component to evaluate is the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM is responsible for processing information from the TP sensor and making adjustments to optimize engine performance. If it has been determined that both the throttle body and sockets to the TP sensor are functioning properly, a faulty PCM could be the cause of DTC P0223. To test this, specialized equipment or software may be needed to confirm that the PCM is processing inputs correctly. A thorough inspection of the PCM connection and any related diagnostic trouble codes should be performed to verify its operational status. Following the complete troubleshooting process for DTC P0223, it is essential to verify the repairs made. Begin by utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes from the PCM. This step resets the error codes and prepares the system for a new diagnostic cycle. Subsequently, conducting a test drive under varied driving conditions will allow the technician to monitor the vehicle's responsiveness and behavior. It's crucial to ensure that the throttle responds smoothly and that no new codes appear during the test. If the same issue arises, further inspection may be necessary to ensure all potential causes have been addressed. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0223 in your Honda Accord. It is recommended to regularly inspect the wiring associated with the throttle position sensor and throttle body for any signs of wear or damage. This can include checking for frayed wires, weather damage, or corrosion at the connectors. Additionally, regularly checking the operation of the TP sensor and throttle body can help catch potential problems early. Performing routine diagnostic scans can also assist in identifying faults before they escalate to trigger DTCs. Proactive measures in vehicle maintenance can save time, costs, and enhance overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, the DTC P0223 indicates an abnormality in the throttle position sensor B circuit due to high voltage. Proper diagnosis involves a systematic approach, verifying sensor voltage, inspecting the throttle body and wiring, and ensuring the integrity of the PCM. Symptoms such as unresponsive throttle and poor acceleration highlight the importance of addressing this error swiftly. After repairs or replacements, conducting a test drive is crucial to ensure that the problem has been resolved. Lastly, implementing preventive maintenance practices can help in minimizing the risk of similar issues occurring in the future, thereby ensuring vehicle performance and safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel See you next time.